those fuel.
Okay. And they're all like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then actually, this one.
So let's.
Wet. The others were wet.
Which one is not wet? The one you just took out?
No.
Oh, number 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's take out number 1 and let's see what that's like, because we know that cylinder's not working.
So what are you doing there, Patrick?
We're doing a compression test right now because the engine doesn't run,
Right?
and we're suspecting that there's a mechanical issue with it,
Right.
and we don't think that the engine has any compression, so we're about to do a compression test.
Okay.
Here, this one's wet too. Shouldn't be wet. It shouldn't be wet. It should be dry.
And why are you smelling it? Is there what are you looking for when you smell it?
Just seeing if there's any liquid in it.
Yeah, so you
Any
can,
wetness in there.
Wetness. Okay.
yeah, because you can identify whether it's oil or fuel by smelling it, right?
Oh.
What does this
Yeah.
look like?
And that one looks like that.
Soap.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first one.
So there's
But this one, look at this one. See this?
Yeah.
There's oil,
Yeah.
right? See the difference?
Yeah.
This one smells like fuel, but it also has oil on it as well.
So it's both.
So this is both.
And that one's not producing
That's
spark.
number
then.
1.
Well, this one we had unplugged, right? Because we didn't want that cylinder to operate, because we know that for sure there's damage in that cylinder. So we have all 4 plugs out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get the compression tester. We'll do one at a time. Before we do that, actually, do we have enough in the battery to see what we got?
I think we're good now. 13 and yeah.
Okay. So let's put that on, and we'll spin the engine over, and we're gonna see if oil or fuel comes out of the combustion
Should we
chamber.
do it manually with the?
No, you got to get it spinning fast.
Yeah.
To throw it up in the air.
Yeah, that's a little.
Yeah, put your glasses on. And if somebody has a light, because what you can do is if you shine the light here, you can see the mist in the light. When it's dark, you can't see it. Oh, there you go. Perfect. So somebody spin it over.
Where's Randolph? The keys are in the
Randolph?
That's always Randolph. Keys are on the front seat.
It's going to spin over fast, obviously, because there's nothing sealing the combustion chamber. So there's no compression. So now we'll see what comes out of those holes. Ready?
Go for it. Go for it.
Anything?
No, I seen smoke come out of the
Go again?
Well, there's air in this one. There's like something in this one. It's like misty.
Hold on. We're going to give you some juice. Okay, go ahead. Anything? Nothing like visible where it's like mist, right? Okay, turn the key off. Can you smell the fuel?
Oh yeah.
So we know for sure it's getting fuel. Can we all agree with that? Yeah. We know there's fuel getting in the combustion chamber. Okay. So while this charges, let's get our compression tester. We'll do one at a time, and we'll compare, because there's only supposed to be a 10% difference in compression from one cylinder to the other.